Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to do the exercise of chapter 2 World Climate from your book Oxford Secondary Social Studies. So let's start. At first you have to make the mind map of this chapter. So here a mind map is given to you. World climate, effects of climate, temperature, deforestation, fossil fuels. Some keywords are given to you. You have to write them on your copies. The very first, weather. Second, climate. Third, temperature. Fourth, equator. Fifth, fossil fuels. Sixth, reduce. Seventh, deforestation. Students, some difficult words and their meanings are given to you. Here you can see. Let's read them. Very first one is dryness, a lack of moisture. Humidity, dampness. Climate, weather conditions of years. Tropical, hot, humid climate. Region, area. Boundary, the dividing line. Space, distance between things. Amount, sum of material. Influence, the power of affect. Right now open your books and come up at page 12. You can see 9 questions are given here. So let's start. Question number 1. In what ways does the climate affect our lives? Answer. Climate affects how we live, the kind of houses we live in, the food we eat, the clothes we wear, our activities and work, and the way we spend our time indoors and outdoors. Question number 2. Look at the map on page 9 and note the lines of latitude which divide the world into climatic regions. Answer. The Arctic Circle, the Tropic of Cancer, the Antarctic Circle, and the Tropic of Capricorn are the lines of latitude that divide the world into different climatic zones. Question 3. What are some of the factors that influence climate? Answer. The temperature, the amount of rainfall, the amount of water vapor, the direction and frequency of winds, and the presence of hills and mountains are factors that influence the climate. Question 4. What is climate change? Answer. Climate change is a change in the climatic patterns of a region or on a global scale. Question 5. How can planting more trees help to reduce climate change? Answer. Trees act as the lungs of the earth. They take in carbon dioxide, which is the main cause of climatic change, and release oxygen in the air. This way, the air gets purified. Question 6. What are greenhouse gases? Answer. Greenhouse gases exist in the Earth's atmosphere and allow sunlight to pass through it and reach the Earth's surface. Question 7. What is greenhouse effect? Answer. The greenhouse gases in the Earth's atmosphere trap heat to keep our Earth warm. This trapping of heat inside the atmosphere is called the greenhouse effect. Question 8. What kind of human activities are responsible for climate change? Answer. The use of fossil fuels, agriculture, and deforestation are the kinds of human activities that are responsible for climate change. Question 9. What can you as an individual do to control climate change? Answer. Many activities can be undertaken to control climate change. For example, using less electricity, saving water, planting more trees. So your question and answers are completed right now. Come up at work page 13 from your book. Question A. Study the table on page 9 and then answer these questions. Question 1. The place with the highest annual rainfall. Answer Murray. Question 2. The place with the lowest annual rainfall. Answer Nokhandi. Question 3. The place with the lowest average winter temperature. Answer Quetta. Number 4. The place with the highest average summer temperature. Answer Jacobabad. Question 5. Compare the climate of Murray and Quetta. How are they alike and how do they differ? Answer. Quetta is too much cold than Murray. It is almost same in summer, neither too hot nor too cold. In Murray there is huge rainfall as compared to Quetta. Come up at activity B. Read and mark the sentences below as true T or false F. Number 1. Places near the poles are often very warm. False. F. Number 2. People living in cold climates build houses with sloping roofs. True. Number 3. Murray has a very dry climate with little rainfall. False. Number 4. Climate affects how we live. True. Number 5. Wheat needs a lot of heat and rainfall to grow well. False. Now turn your page and come up on page number 14. Activity D. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Without greenhouse gases, the earth would be very chilly, with temperatures falling to -17 degrees centigrade. Number 2. The use of fossil fuels increases the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Number 3. Plants and trees absorb carbon dioxide. Number 4. The main energy resource for producing electricity is coal. Number 5. Walking and cycling is good for environment because it doesn't cause pollution. Number 6. Greenhouse gases trap heat in the atmosphere. So students, our exercise is completed right now. If you have any problem, please give feedback in comment section. If this video is helpful to you, please like and subscribe.